Amid us today is His Excellency Arusha, President of the United Republic of Tanzania. I have, in accordance with the provisions of Article 54 of the treaty, invited him to address this assembly. I would now like to make the following proclamation to welcome the presence in the assembly of the President of the United Republic of Tanzania. Whereas Clause 1 of Article 54 of the treaty provides that the Speaker of the Assembly can invite any person to attend the Assembly, notwithstanding that he or she is a member of the Assembly, if in his or her opinion the business of the Assembly renders his or her presence desired. And whereas in the opinion of the Speaker, the attendance and the presence in the Assembly of His Excellency the President of the United Republic of Tanzania is desirable in accordance with the business now before the Assembly. Now, therefore, it is with great pleasure and honor on your behalf, honorable members, to welcome in this assembly the presence of the President of the United Republic of Tanzania.
We now move to item number 3, the address of His Excellency Arusha, President of the United Republic of Tanzania. We begin with the welcome remarks of the Speaker of the House.
Your Excellency, Dr. Arusha, President of the United Republic of Tanzania,